I usually don't make a video about this, but last night here in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, we had a big old storm last night with really strong winds, and it knocked down our tree. It was last night in the middle of the night. Kind of cut it, but no pliers can cut these. A lot of people lost power, but we were fortunate to keep our power. Yeah, there's a lot of people that had it worse than us though, so I can't really complain about doing the yard work. But yeah, there was a tree there, sort of. This week, I guess, so it fell over. It was making really loud sounds last night. Good Lord, it was bad last night. Yeah, it was really bad last night. The sirens didn't even sound last night, the tornado sirens. Probably because they're being replaced, so I don't think they would sound. But the wind was so bad last night.